Hi everyone, welcome to this week's colouring video. We are going to be colouring in this bouquet today that has lots and lots of different flowers in. We've got the ice plant, the rose and the Peruvian lily. So we're going to have some fun doing some shading and blending and lots of different pinks. Yes, we are using pinks today. I've not used them for a couple of weeks, so I thought we'd go in and use pinks. So let's get colouring, everyone. So hi everyone, welcome to this colouring video. I'm really excited that we are finally colouring in this bouquet mandala in section 2 of my book. So we are definitely going to be using pink today. I've got 3 different pinks and some other colours as well. You can see I've put out my colour palette there, but I might add some other colours as we go through. But I'm going to be doing quite a bit of blending here with the roses. And I'm going to start off with the yellow. So I'm going to go and just fill in the centre of a couple of roses before I start blending with the yellow and the pink. And this is the blending I've done before in previous videos, so it's not really any new technique. But you'll probably remember, if you've seen some of my other videos, that when you blend the yellow and a pink together, you get this lovely kind of peachy, orangey colour, and it looks lovely when you're doing roses and lots of other flowers as well, but I particularly like to use them when I'm colouring in these beautiful roses. So I'm going to add a little bit of pink here, and I'm starting off quite softly, but I will add a little bit more pressure probably around the bottom of the petals, so create a little bit of shadow and light as well, and we'll see how we get on. So I'm going to speed up the film so you can watch me colour all of this in. And I hope you enjoy colouring your own bouquet. I'm just so glad we've actually got to colour this one in. It's quite an intricate design, so it can feel a little bit scary, a little bit overwhelming. But if you go bit by bit, then you're really going to enjoy this. I am excited to get started. So I'll see you on the other side. So I'm going to try a different blue for the background this week. This one is a bit more of a turquoisey colour. It's quite an unusual colour actually, but I thought I'd try this in the background just to add some lovely blue sky. And actually, if you wanted to, you could add a black background. I think that would really help the design pop as well. So it's up to you what you want to add in the background of the bouquet. So I'm just going to follow the circle that I drew into the design. So there is a circle in the background there to create the mandala design in this blue, and we'll see how this all turns out in a moment. So I fancied doing something a little bit different for the grayscale this week. So I have got this new paint pen. I'll add the link into the description. So I think I've done this before in one of my earlier colouring videos. Rather than colouring in the grayscale, I've actually just outlined over the grayscale line drawing with the gold pen, and I like the effect. I think it's just lovely, just something different to do in your colouring book. So I'm going to speed the film up so you can see how this turns out. But yeah, feel free to obviously colour this in with your colouring pencil if you want to, using the same techniques as I did in the main design, or you can go through here with a gold pen or even a black pen or different colour. It's up to you entirely. All right, so enjoy. Here is the finished spread. I hope you enjoyed that video. We had lots of fun using lots of different pinks in this one, and I rather like the blue background. But if you wanted to, you could actually use a really dark background to make the design pop even further. So with the grayscale, I decided just to use the gold pen rather than colour that in for something different, and I love the way that that shimmers and shines. So another idea for you. All right, so thank you again for joining me. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.